This is the second theorem that tricks most students, and it is actually the easiest one. Let's do it. ABC are points on the circumference of a circle. Angle ADB is 47 degrees. Find angle ACB. And they want a reason. 2 marks. So how do we do this? Here is the key question. What do angles ACB and angle ADB have in common? Both of them stands on the same chord. Line AB here, line AB is the arc and is the chord on which angle ACB and angle ADB is standing. C is on one side and D is on the other side. Both are in the same segment of the circle. That is the trigger. Now, when we say angles are on the same segment, it means that the angles are at the circumference of a circle that are formed by the same arc or chord. Now, the theorem states that angles in the same segments are equal. So it means that angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. That's it. So angle ADB from our question, angle ADB is 47. So if angle ADB is 47, it means that angle ACB is equal to 47 degrees. Now, what is the reason? The reason is angles in same segments are equal. Your examiners want the exact phrase. No reason, no second mark. That is the game. Play it right. Such questions, all you do is this. You spot the chord, spot angles standing on it, same side, done. So angle ACB equals 47 degrees. This is Basic 2 Tech. Follow for more.